Well, Vince Friese didn't disappoint in his typical riding style. Let's put it that way. It started early. I think this was practice. I don't know. Somebody comments below tell me, and that's his own teammate. And you can say, yeah, it probably wasn't his fault. He might not have known he was coming, but he's still there's somebody in the air, and it's Vince Friese causing an issue, causing a contact again with his own teammate from crossing the track. And if this is practice, you probably should have been looking behind you because if somebody's on a heater lap and you're on the slow lap, what are you doing crossing the track there? Just a weird thing. And then it got even worse. If you actually watch this, this clip is just hilarious to me. So cross jumps, fine, really bad. Cuts a corner, block passes, and still somehow ends up off the track. Doesn't slow up, just continues on his way in the typical Vince Friese fashion. Just in and you gotta say, especially since this is arena cross, these are even smaller sections of track. Like this isn't Supercross in a whole stadium. This is I mean, I guess it's a stadium, but it's a smaller one. You know, it's not the same size track. And for this clip to happen, it's just, I mean, that's just ridiculous to cross jump that hard, like cut a jump and then go to block past somebody and still somehow end up off track. Like it's just uh, the total of what I expected him to do. You know, and you can say, "Oh, he's out of control. He didn't mean to do all this," but like he totally did. You gotta say this is totally normal for Vince Friese. Just there's nothing about this that is like, oh, that's a total mistake. No, that's that is exactly what I expected to see out of him from an arena cross standpoint. And you gotta say, you know, hey, he did go 1-1. He had the perfect debut, heat win, fastest qualifier, won the clash or whatever they want to call it, and then won the night. But you gotta say this is stereotypical Freezy, and especially exactly what I thought was going to come out of an arena cross race. But comments down below. You guys tell me. Did you watch it? Are you going to watch arena cross now? Have you been before? Do you have, a favorite rider? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.